Welcome to the journey of mastering clear communication, key to enhancing personal and professional relationships. This journey begins with understanding the essence of transmitting ideas and feelings effectively, facilitating easy resonance with others. Clear communication, in essence, is about delivering messages in the most straightforward and impactful way. It encompasses not only the choice of words, but also the manner of delivery, ensuring the message is received as intended. This crucial skill fosters deep connections, preventing miscommunications that might lead to conflicts in both personal and work environments. By embracing principles such as clarity of thought, concise messaging, active listening, and constructive feedback, we pave the way for improved interpersonal interactions and professional development. We'll explore how these elements contribute to stronger relationships, and a thorough comprehension of effective communication is our foundation as we proceed to more advanced techniques. Diving deeper, effective communication is an art refined through more than just the spoken word. It includes active listening, recognizing nonverbal cues, providing thoughtful feedback, and adeptly handling conflicts. Active listening involves full engagement with the speaker, not just hearing their words, but truly comprehending and thoughtfully responding. This establishes meaningful connections. Nonverbal cues, from body language to facial expressions, add depth to our interactions, while structured feedback fosters constructive dialogue, encouraging growth. Effective conflict resolution transforms disagreements into opportunities for understanding, further strengthening our communication skills. These are not mere theoretical concepts, but practical tools that can revolutionize your interpersonal skills, enhancing relationships in every aspect of life. As we near the culmination of our journey in mastering effective communication, we reflect on the significant impact these principles have in our daily lives. Clear communication is invaluable in professional realms, acting as a leverage for career advancement and nurturing strong workplace relationships. Imagine every interaction as a stepping stone to success. The benefits extend into our personal lives, where honest and open conversations foster empathy and understanding, converting potential conflicts into moments of connection. Real-world success stories exemplify the transformative power of effective communication. In wrapping up, remember that mastering communication is an ongoing process of learning and application. Let the principles of clarity and effectiveness guide your interactions, enriching both your career and personal life. This is more than a skill. It's a lifestyle that unlocks endless possibilities. Let's apply these lessons to ensure every conversation is meaningful and every voice heard.